Curtis Yarvin, you can suck my fucking dick. Secret meetup, giant mansion, Pacific Heights, San Francisco. Nick Land, shoes off. Curtis Yarvin, shoes off. The whole room stanked up. 4-hour yap session about AI slop. Weirdest night of my life. Me on MDMA. Nick Land on meth. Mental breakdown in my Airbnb because I spent my rent money on plane tickets. Shoes on.
All hail Cthulhu!
What the fuck is a Moldbug? Anti-Semitism is on the rise, so you should not joke about Jewish people. Oh, gonna have to bleep out that violent threat. CEOs like stick strong together. Jester slop, aren't you enjoying this? F you, bitch. Take the red pill. Democracy is gayer than Peter Thiel's orgies with male prostitutes. Monarchy will fix everything.
Commodification of a completely false reality. Wow.
No, don't revolt. We got the freedom to spell stuff wrong and work a 9 to 5. No, violence is bad and
These fucking Semites.
English is a darned global language. Stupid fucking Democrats. I want to be serious. That's so much more entertaining. Oh, fuck. What's tax evasion? The only words you need is yes, sir, and God bless the USA. Woohoo! USA, USA. Fucking, it's like a propaganda laundering operation. We'll kill you for that. Violence, monopoly, power. Oh, you want equality and peace?
Die! Extreme centrism!
Oh, we the real wolves. Ow! Peter Thiel, I'll fucking choke your bitch ass out.
Centralize everything!
Oh, you're a Democrat? I'm gonna fucking chop you into a million fucking pieces and eat your fucking mush. Does my accent count as bilingual? Just having a silly time over here.
Media is basically the government.
Yo, Mossad, we're just joking over here. Oh, it's all satire. Jazz. Ho ass bitch.